Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing a clean workspace and the right tools. This prevents damage. Once set, power the earbuds off and unpair them from devices. Make sure battery charge is low to reduce risk. Use a plastic spudger to pry the outer shell, gently starting at the seam. You want controlled pressure to avoid cracking. Remove the visible tiny Phillips screws and lift the faceplate. Keep parts organized on marked tape so you can reverse the process accurately later. Once the faceplate is off, detach the battery connector first to avoid powering the board while you work. Carefully peel back any foam to expose the main PCB and ribbon cables. You need steady hands here. Inspect for lifted pads, cold solder joints, or corroded connectors. This is often the root cause. If a driver contact is loose, reseat it, and if necessary, reflow with a low-temperature iron and flux. Make sure ribbon cables lock fully into their Z. You reassemble by reversing steps. Reconnect ribbons, secure screws, then plug the battery back and last. Once done, power on and attempt pairing and audio tests. Test both sides at multiple volumes. If one earbud remains dead, swap its flex cable with the other to determine whether the driver or main board is faulty. Make adjustments based on that diagnosis. If everything works, apply adhesive strips and press the shell closed. If the problem persists, factory-level parts replacement is the next step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.